Okay guys, I want to show you exactly how all the system works, how I do it, why I do what I do. Okay. I missed a bet. I was just gonna throw something in there so I don't get kicked out. I break the wheel up into sections. So if you see the roulette wheel here, I have sections A, B, C, and as you see, blank is 1. We're excluding 1 instead of 0. And the reason being is because I broke it up into these numbers for specific reasons. They're also in numerical order, which they're not on the wheel, so that it's easy to select them when you need to. Okay, we have 6. So it's a start A, 3, 7, 9, 14, 18, 20, 22, 28, 35. Okay, so I just bet on these, which as you can see, it's from here all the way to here, and it stops at 1. Oh, unsuccessful bet. Okay. It's really freaking annoying, but it happens. If it's not on that section, we're gonna bet it again, or try again to bet it. Okay. Well, it saved us 1 session. Okay. Now, I don't really have to look at these. I do, but as you can see, I pretty much have them memorized just because. But I played them so frequently. Okay, so what we're waiting for now is anywhere from 3 all the way to 20 to hit. And then if it doesn't hit, I'll show you what happens. But basically, we waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It didn't hit. And it was a 1. So we didn't hit it, which is fine. Now we have 12 numbers. So the good thing about having 12 numbers is we can bet the same amount twice before we have to progress our bet in order to win money. If we hit right here, we're gonna win $18, which was our initial 6. This 6 plus another 6, so we'll win $6 total. When it's all said and done, we'll clear that. Now we're just kind of waiting. And just like that, we win. So we put in 29 into our system, it says win. Just like that. It's literally that easy. That's all you have to do. We could bet on C, but I'm gonna wait. Section C, it hasn't come up for 4 times, which is all these numbers. And as you can see, we have the dealer name, we have the times, and then all the weights, starts, wins. tells you literally what to do. Start A. Okay, well, then you bet A. Oops. So you bet A, section A. Alright, so it's 3. So now we're going to do section C, which it tells us to anyway. So with this one, the nice thing about section C is we only have to spend $3 initially. Oops. Because I have it broken down into ones that we can split. So we can split 5, 8, 10, 11. Let me just show you here. So as you can see, we have all the way from 33 to 27. So we have 33 all the way to 27. We don't have 6. This is section B. Okay, this is section A. And then 1 is nothing. It's just we don't include it. Now you think, well, maybe it's pretty easy to do this. It's not super easy to do it without the system, without the program. Okay, and it was 6, so we lost, which is fine. We just simply rebet. And then we wait. As you can see, the number 27 is pretty popular. I always have this pulled up just because it shows you the percentages, so you can get a good idea of what sections are the most popular, how things are going, and what numbers will probably hit. We're not trying to guess it, but we're trying to give an educated decision on where the ball's going to land based on mathematics. Now each instance is an individual instance, so we can't really say that, well, it's supposed to happen, it's supposed to do this, it's supposed to do that. But it works, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so we lost again, perfectly fine, rebet. Now this is where we double. Now we're at $6. And we're just going to keep it going. You just trust the system. Now again, I'll show you section C. Is 5, 8, 10, 11, 13, 16, 23, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. We don't have to bet all the individual numbers because they're connected. So if you're looking for a very low cost barrier to entry without having to spend a lot aggressively, section C is the way to go. 7. Now as you'll see here, we're actually making more money as we lose. So you can see that, yeah, we're raising the bet, but we were at what? I think 270, 275, I want to say, 612, yeah, we were at 275 when we started. We're actually going to get 36 now, so we'll have we'll be at 287, 68. Okay, we won 5, so now we'll be at 287. 287.68. Perfect. Now we could get a jump and try and start B. I think I'm gonna try it. If B doesn't hit here, it will tell us to bet on B. Section B. Which section B is 26 all the way to 6. But I'm starting it early. I have it saved on my places. As you can see, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 15, 17, 19, 21, 25, 26, 32, and 34. Which I just have saved. You can save your favorite bets here. And it's 24. Not a big deal. Now it's going to tell us to bet B. Or start B. See? See what I mean? It says start B. And the reason being is because it hasn't hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to see what gaps there are in between numbers as well, so I can get a good idea of what it should take to get to that number. This tells me the lowest section, this tells me the top section, so I have a pretty good chance of when this tells me to bet A right now, the A is going to be more frequent, so I have a good high probability of getting it quicker versus, so I'll risk the least amount of money when it tells me to. And just like that, we win. Super simple, guys. If you just trust the system and follow what I showed you, then you will be making money as well. I hope this was a good video for you. Please follow everything in detail. Do not bet real money until you practice this several times. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.